It's been a great 15 years with this car, and I love G35s to death. They're awesome. My family has driven this car for 130,000 miles, so that should tell you something. We've owned it since 2005. So this is just a simple point of view drive in manual mode. Interestingly, when you switch over to manual mode from park, it's in 4th gear. Shift down to 1st. Off we go. It really does feel like a sports car. The handling is very tight, and I'm very impressed with the handling of this car. Absolutely awesome. These are great cars for the money. They're incredibly reliable if you found one that is well kept from a loving home like this one. Car feels very planted, very secure. Starting off in 2nd gear here. Nice and easy. Car is very well put together. There's a couple of little squeaks and a few rattles, but not many. I mean, it's very, very tight. There is a little bit of wind noise, but that's to be expected, I think, at 50 miles an hour. I love this car. I love this platform. I worked at an Infiniti dealer in 2005, so I drove lots of these cars when they were new and 1 year old, and I absolutely fell in love with them. They're great cars. They're well built. They have a lot of power. The styling is absolutely timeless in my opinion, and you can't really go wrong. It's a great value. You can find a really nice daily driver for 8-9 grand with low miles. Obviously this is not a Honda Civic, so it's not going to get good gas mileage, but it also has power. More power than a car of this price point should normally have, in my opinion. But that's what makes these cars awesome. So a great all-around package. Leather interior has held up very well. Trouble spots, I would say, just make sure the engine is good, and the radio went out at 120,000 miles, and it's all lumped into one system with the AC and heating units. You have to replace the whole thing, which is kind of a pain, but other than that, it's been bulletproof, rock solid. Thanks for watching my review of the 2003 Infiniti G35 sedan. If you liked this review, you may also like my other Infiniti G35 videos. Subscribe to my channel StickShiftStudios for more automotive reviews. Have a great day.